In today's video, I'll show you how to change bar chart colors in Tableau using the color shelf. One of the simplest ways to make your visualizations pop and your insights stand out. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Tableau tutorials every week. First, open Tableau and sign into your account. If you are new, you can easily sign up on the Tableau website. Once you're logged in, open your existing workbook or create a new one. This is your canvas for building and customizing visuals. Now, locate the field you want to use for coloring. It could be a dimension like category or a measure like profit. Drag that field onto the color shelf in the marks card. Tableau will automatically assign colors based on your data values, helping you see variations instantly. Next, look at the color legend that appears. Click the legend and select Edit Colors. From here, you can choose from a range of predefined palettes or customize each color manually. For continuous measures like sales or revenue, you can set a gradient. For example, shifting from red to green to highlight performance differences clearly. Once your colors look good in the preview, click OK to apply the changes. Your bar chart will now display the new color scheme, bringing clarity and visual appeal to your data. And that's it. You've just enhanced your Tableau dashboard with customized colors. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Tableau guides every week.